Driving into the realm of automation for coolant operations is like upgrading from a manual scooter to a turbocharged rocket ship. You've got your CNC machine doing its thing, precision cutting and grinding, but all that action generates enough heat to make a dragon sweat. And that's when the coolant sweeps in, like a cooling superhero on a mission. But if you're managing the coolant manually, well, that's like trying to juggle flaming bowling pins while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. You might end up with way too much coolant or barely enough. And hitting the right sumps at the right times? Now, let's spice things up with a dash of automation. Imagine your coolant operations being conducted by a system that's basically the maestro of coolness. It knows precisely how much coolant to unleash, what machine needs it, and when precisely to do it. It collects data, keeps tabs on the machine's well-being, and lets you know if something's about to hit the fan. But it can't be cheap, right? Less goof-ups mean less time wasted and fewer materials sent to the scrap heap. And that, my friend, equals saving those precious greens in the long run. Throwing automation into the mix for CNC coolant operations is like adding a turbo boost to our work.